everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk, VIP. And you can also check out my stuff on YouTube and Instagram. Sorry, I'm a little different setup today, so I am just checking to see everything, make sure everything is good. If you go to tellystalkandchalk.ca, that's where you will see my finished projects and also the links to the business site. Whether you are in Canada or the US, you can buy from me. So go check that out. We do have specials going on, so you might want to check those out as well. And check out what's going on in the business group, or whatever, however I said that, to see what we've got going on in there as well. So today I'm going to show you what is in our Club Couture. This is a subscription box that comes to you monthly. It's free shipping. It gets you all the best deals all year long when you're a member on other products. All of the different deals are, well, ultimately different every month of what you get. And this is an exclusive transfer, so only you and I will get it if you are a subscription. So this is our January Club Couture. I had to think about that because it is a bit late coming to me. I did not place my order quick enough. So we will be doing that one in the next couple of days. It says love is not just looking at each other, it's also looking in the same direction. And then it's got some Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. I'm assuming that's who came up with the quote. Hey everybody! Sorry, I don't actually have comments on my phone, so I have to turn to see. How's everybody doing? Hey Sarah, hey Sam. Next, I will open our bigger box. What am I showing you? Yep. This is the order that I placed a little while ago. I just did the X-Acto knife on myself. Again, if you go to the VIP group, I have some stuff I'm doing. It's one of the things that's in here, so you want to go check that out. If you guys jump on, whether you're on the replay or in person with me right now, let me know when is the best time for me to go live for you. I can only go live between 3:30 on. I typically don't want to go any later than 8, just because of quality time with the husband and all. But if there's another time that seems best suited for you, let me know when that is. Also, I won't be live again tomorrow. Thursdays are really hard for me to come live, depending on what time. Only because I have a meeting at 7. So that typically takes my 7 o'clock start time out. Alright. Bubble. I don't know if I like these better or the bubble, like the actual bubble wrap stuff. I think the bubble wrap stuff is more fun. That one doesn't even have any air in it. Like, there was literally no use for that. You don't need to see that. Alright. I'm going to put those over here for 1 second. Alright. Sorry. So this is our Sorry guys, I'm just trying to figure this out because I thought I got 2 of these, but for some reason I only have 1. But this is the, I guess I do need the packing sheet to even tell you what it is. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little more discombobulated, and now I just dropped it on the floor. This is actually, it's underneath on the floor. This is the Creative Kickstart package. Oh, certain ones didn't come in. Okay, that's why. They're delayed. So we will be doing up one of these as soon as I can. And I will show you all of what's in that when I can. This is the add-ons that come with it. So I got both of the add-ons, just not both of the main kits. That's interesting. Oh, there. Okay. The only thing it's doing this way, yeah, you over there is not going to work very well. Hmm? Oh, hey Mandy, how are you, hon? Sorry, I'm only able to see my lives and my comments over on this side, so if I'm not looking, I'm not seeing it. Did you see the Club Couture that I have? The subscription box thing? Something beautiful is on the horizon. And then on the actual thing, it says, stay close to people who feel like sunshine. Isn't that the way to go? Oh, sorry for whatever's going on in the background. Ooh. And then we have, every day is a fresh start. I really like this design. I think it's super cute. And I have 2 of them because, like I said, I have something going on in my VIP group, so you need to check that out. Hey Sue, how are you? I'm going to show you the Club Couture again because more people are coming on. This is our Club Couture for January. It says, love is not just looking at each other, it's looking in the same direction. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. I'm really bad at French names. I'm assuming that's French, just by the way that it looks. Again, I'm going to go and show the other 2 here just because I don't know who was on when I showed everything. Every day is a fresh start. I have 2 of those. And then something beautiful is on the horizon. And then it says, stay close to people who feel like sunshine. And that one I have a double as well. And then, where did you just put the, when you took them off? Because we're going backwards now. More people are jumping on. So this is our Kickstart kit. And all the stuff that comes in it. Oh, clearly there's a hole in this. All right, so this will not be the one I'm shipping unless I get tape on it. And then these are the add-ons that come with it as well. They've got the rainbow and the flowers. They're really cute. But that is all I have. I just wanted to show you that because I've got to get ready for a meeting. But I hope you guys all enjoyed that. Like I said, I have to wait for my second one of my kits to come in because they, I guess, were short or something. Because I didn't get it. Hey, Emily, how are you? I did get some goodies. I was excited because it was supposed to be in like what, Friday first, and then it was gonna be Monday, and now today's Wednesday. It's like, but it was because we got a bad weather storm the last couple of days. So thank you all for jumping in and saying hi and chatting with me. I will. Uh-oh. I think I caught the very end. Oh, do I need to go through this again? Okay. Well, everybody's gonna love this live when I do a replay. Or when they do a replay. Okay, so this is the Kickstart kit. We're gonna go in fast mode on this version now. These are your add-ons. If you get the Kickstart kit, all you have to do is place $90 order if in the US, or $125 if you are in Canada, and go to my VIP group if you want some other deals that we've got going on. I can't put those out here right now. We have our rainbow, which says something beautiful is on the horizon, and then it also says stay close to the people that feel like sunshine, or who feel like sunshine. And then we have this beautiful one that says every day is a fresh start. Thanks, Cammy. Did you literally just come on again? Do I have to go through that one more time? Okay, well, I gotta put them back anyway, so we're going backwards. Every day is a fresh start. I'm having way too much fun with this. Something beautiful is on the horizon. Stay close to the people who feel like sunshine. Okay, I'm telling you, everybody on the replay is going to love this. It's going to be the funniest thing. I'm going to get like 15 messages of, oh my god, do you think you put enough interest in this? This is our add-on for in this kit, as I try not to dump everything out again. This is our Kickstart kit. I am supposed to have a second one, so they need to send me that so that I can do what I need to do with that. I think we're good. I hope you are all well, and I will see you guys on Friday. Again, I won't be live tomorrow. Thursdays just aren't my day to come live unless I come live earlier. If you want that, message me, let me know, and I will see you then or Friday. We'll see you then.